video shared online captures a disturbing moment from November 2nd, 2014. Around midnight, a driver traveling along Highway 78 noticed something unusual blocking the road. His dashcam shows two traffic cones positioned in a way that completely stopped the lane ahead, an odd sight for an empty highway at that hour. As he slowed down, his headlights revealed something far more unsettling. The lower half of a man's body appeared in the beam of light, moving slowly toward the vehicle. The figure walked directly toward the car as if waiting for it to stop. When the driver tried to ease forward to get past the cones, the man stepped in front of the vehicle, refusing to move.
What's going on? Can I help you with something?
Yes.
Sensing that the situation didn't feel like any normal road hazard, the driver attempted to understand what was happening, but the man's behavior only grew more suspicious. According to the uploader, the stranger reached into his pocket right after being approached, an action that immediately pushed the driver into survival mode. Without waiting to see what the man was reaching for, he accelerated around the cones and escaped the scene. Later, the uploader mentioned that authorities eventually located the man and another individual believed to be assisting him. Both were reportedly detained, but only faced DUI-related charges. What their real intentions were on that dark stretch of highway remains unclear. Had the driver hesitated for even a few more seconds, the outcome could have been very different. Whether this was a planned road ambush or something far stranger, the driver was fortunate to leave before discovering what that man truly wanted. A chilling piece of footage surfaced from a remote field in Saudi Arabia, recorded in the early hours of the night. The area was completely isolated, with no nearby homes, lights, or passing vehicles. Only a long stretch of darkness broken by the beam of a single car's headlights. As the footage begins, the vehicle is seen moving slowly across the open field when the driver notices something unusual ahead. A pale figure stands at a distance, motionless, appearing to lean on what looks like a cane. The driver continues forward cautiously, and as the camera gets closer, the figure begins to shift its posture. Within moments, the figure starts limping toward the car. Its movements are erratic and unsteady. Yet it keeps advancing. The closer it gets, the more its outline becomes unsettling. An elongated shape, completely white, moving in a way that doesn't resemble a typical person walking across rough terrain. The driver's breathing grows louder as the distance closes, and the tension in the recorded audio makes it clear that fear is setting in quickly. Despite the driver's attempts to deter the figure, it continues its slow pursuit. With each step, it edges closer to the vehicle as if drawn toward it. The environment around them is silent, adding to the unnerving feeling of being trapped with something unknown in the middle of nowhere. Near the end of the recording, the figure releases a sharp, distorted shriek that echoes across the empty field. The sound is directed toward the car, and the moment it hits, the driver's panic becomes unmistakable. Whether this was a person, an injured wanderer, or something far stranger is still debated, but the footage offers no clear answer. The video ends without revealing what the figure truly was, leaving viewers to wonder what the driver encountered that night, and whether the field was as empty as it first appeared. A widely shared post from 2018 recounts a frightening encounter experienced by Lauren and Brian Swenson, a couple from Utah who had moved to Nairobi, Kenya. They were in the process of opening a CrossFit gym alongside two local trainers, and on this particular day, they were heading out to record promotional footage for the project. Their drive began normally until they reached a heavy traffic buildup on one of the main roads. To save time, they turned onto a dirt path that locals frequently used as an alternate route. Not long after, they passed two armed officers walking along the roadside. The officers signaled for a ride, but for reasons they never fully explained, the group decided not to stop and continued along the detour. As they moved deeper along the dirt road, they approached a white public transport vehicle left motionless in the center of the path. The Swensons didn't realize it at the time, but the driver of that van attempted to warn them by flashing his headlights, a warning they unfortunately did not recognize. What happened next unfolded in seconds.
I'd rather assume they do and not. Yeah. Drive forward, crossing. Yep, drive forward. Drive forward. Hey!
Still there?
Yeah.
Just as their vehicle crept past the stationary van, three men armed with machetes emerged from behind it and rushed straight toward the Swensons. The driver reacted immediately, reversing as fast as he could to create distance. One of the trainers urged him to shift forward the moment a gap appeared, knowing the attackers were closing in on both sides. The couple later explained that the driver's window hadn't been fully raised when the bandits appeared, and the quick reversal gave him just enough time to roll it up. Even then, a small gap remained. When one of the men reached for the window with his blade, that narrow opening prevented the machete from entering the vehicle, an inch or two that may have saved someone's life. As the vehicle sped away, one of the trainers reported seeing armed officers arriving behind them, appearing to confront the attackers.
The cops? Was not even cops? The cops behind. Yeah, they're running into away. Dang! Oh, gunshot.
Dang.
No, they're running after them. Let's get out of here.
A single gunshot echoed from the direction of the van, suggesting the confrontation had escalated almost immediately. Lauren later wrote that if they had picked up the officers earlier, those officers might have opened fire from the vehicle while the group was still dangerously close to the attackers, putting everyone inside at even greater risk. In the end, the Swensons and their trainers managed to escape unharmed, though it was never confirmed whether anyone else at the scene was injured. The entire encounter lasted only moments, but the sudden shift from a simple detour to a life-threatening ambush left them with a memory they would never forget. A brief but unsettling encounter was recorded in rural Russia when two forest rangers were making their way home along isolated, snow-covered roads. It was late, the surroundings were silent, and the headlights were the only source of light cutting through the winter darkness. Without warning, a large figure suddenly sprinted across the path in front of their vehicle. The shape moved fast, crossing the road in just a couple of strides before vanishing back into the tree line. The entire moment lasted only a few seconds, yet the outline of the figure was clear enough to raise serious questions. The creature's size and upright posture led many viewers to immediately suggest a Bigfoot-like encounter. The way it moved, running on two legs through deep snow, added to that speculation. But others argued that it may have simply been a person wandering through the remote area under bizarre circumstances, despite the freezing conditions. With no additional footage and no follow-up reports from the region, the identity of the figure remains unresolved. Whether it was an unknown creature adapted to the harsh wilderness, or just someone behaving strangely in the middle of nowhere, is still open to interpretation.